So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this amazing course, basically the module trick or trailhead 2025. And first thing, we'll open the first module. So here you have to follow step by step module. You cannot skip any module. So first come over here, and here you can see this Silicon Valley in developer organization. Right click, or you can just click on it. Now here a form will be there. Basically, before you complete any trailhead challenge, we have to just start our environment. So here just enter your details, basically the first name, last name, and here you have to enter your email address. By mistake I added this. You don't have to add this. You have to add your personal email where you'll be receiving the access codes and you'll be able to reset the password. So make sure enter the accessible email. Now select the role correctly. Just enter the company name. You can type anything, postal code also, anything. Now here username, you can use anything. Okay, first of all let me update the email. Here I am just updating it to here. Basically I made a mistake, don't make the same mistake. And now here what we need to do, we need to just enter the email address. So use your personal email. Once you have added the email, click on this checkbox and click on sign me up. Now here many of you are complaining that we are not getting the email. So the problem is that due to the server issues, sometimes the mail takes some more time to arrive. So you have to just keep checking your email address, basically your mailbox, for the account creation email to come. So just wait for some time, and after that we'll move forward to the next step. So after waiting for 5 minutes, finally the email has been arrived over here. Now you can see this, welcome to Salesforce, verify your account. You have to just click on that email and just scroll down, and here you can see verify account. Click on it. Click here on the reset password. Now here you have to set a strong password. Wait for the page to fully load. Sometimes what happens, we get some kind of verification like two-factor authentication. In that case you have to come to your mailbox and enter the code, and then only you'll be able to reset it. Now here just follow, make sure the character is 8 characters long, 1 letter and number. So just enter the password. One more important thing which I wanted to share, that while entering the password, make sure any of the text does not contain your username, name or etc. Try to use any password, but make sure to remember it because it will be required in the later part of this lab. So just enter anything, but you must remember for this lab. Okay, now here we have a security question. You can write anything. I can just follow as I am doing. Okay, so just type it, click on change. Now here you can see we did not get any kind of error, but sometimes we get error if the username and pass is same. Now here we have to just come over here and we have to turn to settings. Okay, so here just click on these three dots, and first of all we have to connect our playground. So you can see here, okay, you can see here what things we have to do. We have to connect our organization. Come over here, you can see here they have mentioned the steps. If you have any query you can just check it. So just come down, and first of all let's connect the organization. Here only you have to enter the username. How will find the username? You have to come to your mailbox and just select it, copy it. Wait a second, you can close this if it's opened. Come to the login page, paste over here, enter the pass which you have just now created. I hope you remember it. Now here once you have done this, click on login. Now you have to add some permissions over here. You can close the other old windows, there is no issue. Just click on allow, and here just scroll down a bit, click on yes, save it. So the first step. So finally you can see here, if you check the challenge you can clearly see that we are logged in to the new organization. So just click on launch over here. Now finally the app is loaded, and now we have to just turn on the Einstein. So just first of all, if you want to block the notification, you can block it. Come up, and here you can see this. You can copy it from here and just go to the settings, setup. A new page will open. Now here on the quick find window, you can see here we have a quick find window. We have to search that only from there only. Okay, quick find video, you have to just paste over here. So just paste it, open it, and just turn on the Einstein. So finally first step is done. Now we have to just find the Agentforce agents. Now sometimes what happens, you are unable to find the Agentforce agents. In that case, you have to reload the browser window. Okay, and wait for a few minutes also. So just wait. So finally we have refreshed the page. Now here you can see the quick find option. You have to just paste the name over there and just search it. So let me show you how you have to do it. Okay, so here you can see this one, copy from here. I am making this tutorial a little bit slow so that everyone can understand, because many of you are complaining that sometimes videos are very fast. Now just click on it and just toggle on the Agentforce agents. Okay, so just come over here, click on it, just toggle on. Now once you have turned it on, I think the page has been reloaded. Now just come scroll down and here click on check challenge. Now you'll surely get the score if you have followed the way I have completed it. Now one more important thing, you have to follow each module step by step. Like first you have to complete this module, then you have to move to the second, third, fourth. If you try to jump in any random module, chances are there you may get stuck and you won't be getting any score. So this is how we completed the first module. If you are completely new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.